Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover external CSS. When we write CSS in a separate .css file, then it is called external CSS. The advantage of external CSS file is that we could reuse the same external CSS file in separate HTML pages. In Sublime Text Editor, first we will create a new HTML file. We will click on File, New File. To save the file, we will click on File, Save. File name external CSS.html. In the HTML file, we will type less than symbol than HTML, and on suggestion display we will press enter key in the keyboard. This will generate the boilerplate code of an HTML file. Title external CSS. In the HTML file we have created two div elements, and in the head section we have created a style tag. To open the file in the browser, we will go to the location where we have saved the HTML file. We will right click in the HTML file, then open with Google Chrome. You could select any other browser also. We have written internal CSS in the HTML file. Now if we want to convert it to external CSS, then we need to create a separate .css file and need to move the CSS selectors from the HTML file to the external .css file. To create a separate .css file, we will click on File, New File. To save the file, we will click on File, Save. File name my first CSS file .css. We have copy pasted the CSS selectors from the HTML file to the external .css file. Now we could remove the style tag from the HTML page head section. To use an external .css file in the HTML page head section, we need to use the link tag. In the link tag href attribute, need to give the path of the external .css file. On refreshing the page, we could see the style applying on the HTML page. Now we could write new selectors in the external .css file itself. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.